He wasn't just a voice, he was a movement, a pulse in the rhythm of Kenyan reggae. This is the story of John Maina, the legendary MC Fullstop. John Maina, popularly known as MC Fullstop, was a towering figure in Kenya's reggae and dancehall scene, a beloved icon who left an indelible mark in East African entertainment. Born and raised in Kenya, his journey began in the early 1990s when, as a young teenager, he stepped into the world of MCing. But the 2000s, his infectious energy and unmatched crowd control had made him a household name. MC Fullstop wasn't just any hype man. He was the heartbeat of the reggae dance floor and one of the most toured MCs in East Africa. One of his most iconic performances was during the Mashujaa Day celebrations in 2012 at Thika Stadium. Paired with DJ Juan of Supremacy Sounds, the duo lit up the stage with a live dancehall video mix that has since become a hallmark of Kenya reggae culture. His voice, his chants, and his stage presence all came together in a moment that perfectly captured the essence of his craft, commanding crowds, lifting spirits, and uniting fans through music. Throughout his career, MC Fullstop worked with top DJs like DJ Neville, DJ Smash, and DJ Juan, producing unforgettable mixes that defined Kenya's reggae sound space in the 2000s and 2010s. He also made a powerful impact in media, co-hosting popular reggae shows like Reading Vibes on K24, The Reggae Boys on NRG Radio. He graced the platforms like Kiss FM and Citizen TV, his voice echoing across the airwaves, commanding attention. But behind the bright lights and roaring crowds, a silent battle was brewing. In 2019, MC Fullstop was diagnosed with tuberculosis. By 2021, the disease had severely damaged his left lung, which ultimately collapsed. Things worsened in 2022 when TB spread to his throat, affecting his vocal cords, silencing the very gift that had defined his life. In March 2023, he shared the heartbreaking reality of his condition on social media, stating, "Hii imeenda, itabidi nijipange, hapa naona nikihang boots," meaning, "It's gone, I'll have to plan myself, I think it's time to hang up the boots." He spoke candidly on Citizen TV 10/10, hosted by Willis Raburu, opening up about complications from his treatment, including liver malfunction, hair loss, and the development of type 1 diabetes. He urged the fans to be cautious with excessive alcohol consumption, reflecting on how it had impacted his own health. Despite the mounting challenges, MC Fullstop kept fighting, with support from friends, fans, and even a betting firm that helped cover some of the medical costs. He soldiered on. On what will be his last major comeback, he made a triumphant return to NRG Radio. Though his voice was weak, his spirit roared louder than ever. It was a moment that moved his fans to tears. The lion was still roaring, even though it was just a whisper. On August 1st, 2025, MC Fullstop passed away after a long, painful battle with tuberculosis. But though the mic had fallen silent, his legacy lives on. Spanning over 3 decades, his career inspired a generation of DJs, MCs, and reggae lovers. He wasn't just a man behind the mic, he was a vibe, a feeling, a cultural force. To his fans, MC Fullstop was more than a name. He was a voice that echoed in matatus, in clubs, in concerts, on the airwaves. A voice that chanted our struggles and our joys. A voice that turned every dancehall night into a celebration. He was the fire behind the rhythm, the king of crowd control, a true soldier. Rest easy, lion, your voice still lives, in every bass drop, in every cheer, in every rewind. MC Fullstop forever, the mic will never forget you.